Okay, so now as you can see, I've actually changed a few things. I changed this guy's text to click me to close. See, I did that right there. But I also changed its name to test button. And of course, in my code, I also changed it to test button. So, once again, avoiding the problem of having button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. Now, if you notice, I put on this click me to close. So obviously I want this to be a close button. It's going to close the program. So let's go into our first little foray of closing something. So we have ourselves a button. Now here's my button starting point. Here's my button ending point. So obviously after testButton.click, I now have something that I want to do. And the way this is going to go is it's going to go from biggest thing to smaller thing to smaller thing to smaller thing. Much like how files on your computer operate. You know, you're on the Users tab, and then what users are you in? You're in your user, and then where? You're on your desktop, okay, and then you're on your folder, and then inside the folder there might be another folder, but inside that folder now there's a JPEG. It's going from biggest to smallest. So in this particular situation, it's going to be quite easy to do because we're literally using this object. Whoops, it does not understand what this is. So, once again, of course, if you wind up having a situation where it doesn't understand something, maybe you type something in incorrectly, it will let you know down here. Right now it's saying, identifier this is not declared. It may be inaccessible due to its protection level. Basically, it's saying, I've already typed something in incorrectly. So let me try it, but this time with this dot close. Nope, okay. Probably not. Let's try close. Okay, there we go. And you notice how it will already pretty much tell me what it is I'm doing. So if I were to start typing in, you know, A. Oh, look, there's A. Accept button, accept A, whatever. Or if I were to go to B, it'd be like, or C, code analysis, code DOM collection. If I'm typing in something that it can actually do, it will go and I have the option to just click it and go and say, yes, I want this. I want accept button. Of course, obviously, I don't want accept button. But if I were to say, I believe me. Yep, me. And look, I even typed it in correctly, so here we go. It's going to tell me to capitalize it. So me dot close. And I'm pretty sure that's all I need to do. So I will just save that, and I will start. So now in theory, when I click this button, it should close the program simply by doing me.close. Because what object is this? Me. It's the one I click on. So let's try this. Let's see if that'll work. It's running errors. So now theoretically, when I close this button, I shouldn't have to click the stop button. It should close automatically. And it closed the program automatically. So congratulations, this is the simplest form of coding you will ever do. Me.close and then 2 parentheses.